Hi everyone. Today's lesson is very simple and quite good fun and fun for the whole family. We're going to look at doing rainbows, and I know lots of you have been putting beautiful rainbows in your windows, and when I've walked down the road in the village I saw a beautiful one with clouds and cheery faces. So you'll have rainbows on your mind already, so we're going to have a go at this. How do you remember a rainbow? This is what I was taught when I was a little girl. Richard of York gave battle in vain. So you have to keep saying that. Richard of York gave battle in vain. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. You just get that in your mind, and then when you're coming to do your work, you'll be able to do it and you'll be able to remember what you're doing. On the board I've put my website in case some of you wanted to have a look at it. My son did that for a website for my 70th birthday, so that was quite exciting. The artist that you need to look at, and you can look online to find, is somebody called Patrick Hughes. You might need to put in Patrick Hughes rainbows, and you will see he has the most amazing ideas to do with rainbows. And I first saw his work at Hull Royal Infirmary years ago, walking down a corridor. They were framed on the wall, lots of his rainbow pictures, and I thought, gosh, that's a good idea. You have to think how you can incorporate a rainbow into your work in different ways, and I'll show you a few ideas that I had a go at. For example, you could do a rainbow washing line: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So you could do that. I tried something a little bit different just for an experiment. I don't know whether it worked terribly well, but I did pale tones of a rainbow and did rainbow blossom on a tree with the blossom falling down. So that was with pale colours of a rainbow. Here's another idea. A rainbow wine bottle pouring wine into a wine glass. So now you'll be starting to get the idea. This is the last one that I did quickly, and that's a rainbow paintbrush going into a rainbow paint pot. But you will have lots and lots of ideas, I'm sure. I think all you need is a piece of white cartridge paper, a pencil as usual, and you do need coloured pens or coloured pencils. I've put them together. When you have them on the table and you're working, put them in the right order. It makes life a bit easier. I've put my pens like that. Same if you've got coloured pencils. Put your pencils in the right order, and then you'll remember how you're going to do it. I'll pop that up again while we think of things. You might like to think of different kinds of food. So you might do rainbow fish and chips, rainbow burgers, rainbow crisps, and so on. Transport, you might think of cars, trains, planes, motorbikes, bicycles, all in terms of a rainbow. There are lots of things you can do with everyday items, like pots and pans. You can do dustbins full of rainbows with all the rubbish rainbows coming out. You will have lots and lots of ideas. So today, parents, when you're sitting at lunch, you can have a game of seeing who comes up with the best ideas for a rainbow. I expect to see some really good ideas. Have a go at it anyway.